Assalamu alaikum. This is Mrs. Khan from MM Model School, and today I am going to teach my students of class 7A and 7B physics numericals. Now, students, I shall request you to open to page 26. The numericals are over there. I have not copied the questions of the numericals. You will see the questions and try to understand how I have explained them. Number 1. A car travels a distance of 15 kilometer in 3 hours. So what is the distance? 15 kilometer. What is the time given? 3 hours. Now what is the speed? Speed is asked. Calculate the speed of the car. Speed is equal to distance by time. D means distance, T means time. So 15 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Next we go on to number 2. A running train at the speed of 150 km per hour. So what is the speed given of the train? 150 km per hour. And the time taken is 3 hours. So distance, we have to calculate the distance. How much distance does it cover? Distance is equal to speed into time. That is 150 into 3. That comes to 450 km. Next, number 3. Look at question number 3. Calculate the distance travelled by a bicycle moving at the speed of 20 km per hour. So what is the speed of the bicycle? 20 km per hour. And what is the time taken? 2 hours. What is asked? The distance. Calculate the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. That comes to 20 into 2. That is 40 km. Next, number 4. Calculate the time taken by a scooterist who is traveling a distance of 50 meter. How much meter? 50 meter. Speed is given 10 meter per second. So time is equal to distance by speed. That comes to 0, 0 kar gaya, so 5 seconds. I hope this much you all have understood. Just go through the questions once and do the numericals in your copies. Write the questions, do the numerical in your copies in the blank page. Now let us go on to number 5. Question number 5 is a bit different question. You have to convert the following. For instance, it's given 30 km per hour to meter per second. How do you convert it? You have to multiply by 5 by 18. So 30 into 5 by 18, that comes to, I cancel this one, and then 30 and 18 by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18, then 5 5s are 25 by 3. That comes to 8, 1 by 3 meter per second. How did 8 come from? Where did 8 come from? 25 divided by 3, that is 8. 8 3 is 24. 1 is left over, 1 by 3 meter per second. Next, 54 meter per second, 2 kilometer per hour. You have to multiply this one by 18 by 5. Why 18 by 5? Why not 5 by 18? Because you are going from a lower unit to a higher unit. From meter per second to kilometer per hour. You are going from a lower unit to a higher unit. You have to multiply by 18 by 5. So 54 into 18 by 5. We cannot deduct anything. So directly we multiply. That comes to 972 by 5. The answer is 194 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now let us see. I have to explain why by 18. Why do we multiply by 18 by 5 or 5 by 18. 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. That comes to 3600 second. 3600 second. So when I cut this one, the 00 and that also, that comes to 5 by 18. Because 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are 10 and 2 18s are 36. That is kilometer per hour to meter per second. You have to multiply by 18 by 5. From higher unit to lower unit. And when it is the opposite, that is from meter per second to kilometer per hour, then you will have to do what? 3600 on the top and 1000 below. That comes to 18 by 5 again. How does it come to 18 by 5? 00 will cancel and 18 0, 0 will be cancelled, and I hope it's clear now. And this one you will never forget, because in higher classes, when you will go to the higher classes, you will have to face this type of numericals in both in physics and in maths. So you can answer them. Do not forget this concept. It's very important for you. Do not forget this concept of why I multiply by 18 by 5 or 5 by 18. Do not forget. Thank you. We'll go on to other questions. Now students, we are going to begin with question number 6 from page 26 of your textbook. Just read the question thoroughly. I have not written the questions. I am just going to do the explanation and the numericals. I am going to solve the numericals. Number 6. A boy starts from his home and reaches the school within 15 seconds. So time given is 15 seconds. And what is the speed? Speed is 30 meter per second. What is the distance? Distance I told you before also. Distance is equal to what? How do you take out the distance? Calculate the distance. Speed into time. That comes to 15 into 30. That is 450 meter. Easy? Yes, miss. Next, number 7. Then from number 7 to 10, we have certain questions. We have the initial velocity, we have the final velocity, we have acceleration, we have time. What is initial velocity? Previously, I told you initial velocity, when we start something, we are in 0. Or anything, when the speed increases from 15, here we can see that speed previously was 15 meter per second. Then it went to 30 meter per second. So initial velocity u. Initial velocity is u. And that will be 15 meter per second. And final velocity v. That is 30 meter per second. Acceleration as a. Time t. These are the abbreviations I have taught you before. So time given is equal to 5 seconds. What is acceleration? How do we calculate acceleration? F velocity, that is final velocity minus initial velocity, that comes to 30 minus 15, that is 15. And time taken, t is time taken divided by time taken. Time taken is 5. So 15 divided by 5, that is 3 meter per second square. Why second square? Because we have taken the final velocity and the initial velocity. Two velocities we have. Next we go on to number 8. A car travels with the speed of 10 meter per second. What is the speed of the car? 10 meter per second. And that is the initial velocity. That is what? Initial velocity. That means that is u. Then acceleration given is 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is what? 2 meter per second square. Time is how much? 10 seconds. What is asked in the question? Calculate the final velocity. You have to calculate the final velocity, that is v. The equation. We are going to use a new equation. V is equal to u plus at. V is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a, that is acceleration. Acceleration is how much? 2 meter per second square, and time is 10 seconds. That means 10 plus 10 to the 20. That means 30 meter per second. I have forgotten to write meter per second. I will write it just now. Now what is v? V is the final velocity, that is 30 meter per second. I hope you all have understood velocity we write in meter per second. Next we go on to number 9. Question number 9. A bus starts from rest. So the initial velocity is 0. Why 0? Because the bus was at rest. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. Final velocity is 20 meter per second. That is v. Final velocity is v, that is 20 meter per second. Next, acceleration. Acceleration is 4 meter per second square. How much? Acceleration a is 4 meter per second square. And we have to calculate the time. We have to calculate what? Time. We go on to the previous formula. Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. What is v? Initial velocity minus final velocity minus initial velocity by time. That comes to acceleration is 4 is equal to, and my final velocity is 20 and initial velocity was 0. That means 20 minus 0, that is 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5 seconds. Time is equal to 5 seconds. I hope I am clear. I should be. See, first step is over here, then over here. You move on to this step. And then this one, and this is the fourth step. If you all can't understand, you can ask me, you can clear your doubts. Number 10. Calculate the initial velocity of a body. Now you will have to calculate the initial velocity, that is u. That is not given. Initial velocity of a body traveling at the speed of 45 meter per second. So speed is in final velocity. Final velocity is what? 45 meter per second. 45 meter per second. That is my final velocity. Time given is 7 seconds. That is t is equal to 7. Acceleration a is equal to 5 meter per second square. Acceleration is always written in second square. Do not forget. Now, I go on to the formula. Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. Or acceleration is 5 is equal to 45 minus u. U is what? Initial velocity by 7. Next, this step, we cross multiply. Cross multiply, that is 7 5s are 35. 35 is equal to 45 minus u. Now we have to calculate u. So this 35 from the left hand side will go to the right hand side, and this one is plus. The other side it will go and become minus. I hope you all have you all remember how we do the equations, how we solve the equations in class 6 also in maths. So u is equal to 45 minus 35, that is 10 meter per second. I hope I have made myself very clear. If you have any doubts, you can contact me through the YouTube, through the Realia app, and I will let you know, and I will explain it to you once more. Thank you for watching. Each and every numerical has to be done in your copies in the white page, that is in the blank page of your copy, and you are going to write each and every question. After each answer, you are going to draw a line. Thank you.